Hello everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. This is now Monday. It will be my knitting natter this afternoon, so I thought I'd better do a video earlier on before I go out. It is now 9:30 in the morning. I've done a little bit tidying up from after my family's visit yesterday. We had another very hectic but lovely day, and I think I need to tell one or two people because I've had some comments because I was talking about 3 hectic days I had, having a break, and then yesterday would be another hectic day, and then today I'm out again. And I think people have got the impression, maybe just the way I didn't explain it very well, that I wasn't happy about having family. Of course I'm happy having my family. It was 3 hectic days, but I did need a break in between, then another hectic day yesterday. But I wouldn't have it any other way. That's just the way they are at this time of year. I had my son who lives near Sheffield. He came up yesterday with his partner and her daughter and my step-granddaughter as well. So that I had 4, and then I had my granddaughter and my 3 great-grandkids as well. And it was turned to be at my house. I wasn't doing any cooking. I said, we are going to a restaurant today, which we did. We went to a pub restaurant, and very expensive it was. We couldn't just go where we normally go because my son brought Ruby, their dog, up, and we had to find a dog-friendly place that we could go to. And we were looking at the menu, and, you know, I'm saying to Tony, that's my son, I don't want another type Sunday roast type thing. And I looked on, there was mince and dumplings on the menu. I thought, oh, I'll have that for a change. And my oldest great-grandson, Frankie, he decided to have the mince and dumplings as well, with other veg and things like that. And while we were having the meal, Frankie, that's his name, he whispered to me, what do you think of the mince, Nana? And I said, a bit bland. I said, it hasn't got much taste. There's hardly any seasoning in it. He says, I know. What can I put in it? I said, well, add a little bit of salt to it. I said, I don't think they cooked it with any salt, but I'm afraid, you know, a lot of people don't think you shouldn't have salt. But salt makes all the difference to how some things taste. We had a little bit salt on, so we added a little bit. I said, not too much, just add some, you know, and then fork it around a little bit. And I says, you can put a little bit pepper in as well, not a lot though. I says, I can't have any pepper, it doesn't agree with me. But at least he said it was a little bit better after that. But it was very expensive, please. But I said to my son, I says, I'm paying for half of this. I says, because my son always pays when he comes up for, and we always go into a restaurant or some place, but because of them having the dog this time, we couldn't go to our usual place, which we know is a lot cheaper, and we had to find somewhere that was dog friendly, but it turned out to be one of the most expensive places. So I split the bill with my son, but I have just a little bit video I'm going to show you of the kind of things I have to put up with when they come to my house. So I'm going to stop this video and then I'll start it again, let you see. Playing games.
Stop showing us them. You meant to put them face down.
Oh, I'm taking that. Oh,
you can have
yeah.
that.
Okay. Right, what happens if I've got no cards left?
I
There
mean,
you
it's
go.
supposed to take from the community part.
Oh,
Where's the
It's one. You meant to have 5 cards and discard the ones you don't want.
No, you can have that.
No, it's not what those.
Oh, weddings. I'm destined to
You got
have
3 cows.
Yeah, I got 3 cows.
Right, so now you need to have 5 in your hand. Put them down, please.
No.
No, that's not the route. You're cheating. Right, you've got 4 there. Pick up 1 more.
No.
Right, and then choose. See, have you got 3?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Which one do you not want?
This one.
Right, you meant to put it down that way. I don't want it.
You don't want mine, you
I think we're a bit stuck.
don't.
Eddie.
Yeah.
Come on. Which one do you not want? Put it down, face down.
Actually, you do, because it gives you a lot of point.
Yes, 1 point. Another point to me.
Oh, wait. No, Mum, I don't. No, I was.
No, you can't keep. Oh. Right, okay, I'll let you off. Come on then. Go on, Eddie.
Oh my god.
I'm going to knock on the table. Right, okay, done.
Eddie, you. I know. She wins.
I win.
Yeah. I get
Nice
top.
one.
I
It's
get
still
top.
going even though I won.
Boom.
So that is the kind of fun I have to put up with in my house. But you know, the kids enjoy that, so, except for one certain one you could see sitting on the chair by himself. He never joined in. It must be his age. He's almost 14. They tried to get him to join in, but you know, he just started causing trouble with the younger one. He was best left to his own devices. So that is the kind of thing that I do need a rest from afterwards. It's lovely to see everybody, but it's also lovely when you're left by yourself in the peace and quiet after hours of that kind of thing. Mind, we were playing some of their card games. I was joining the other because I was filming that one. I couldn't join in it. But the kids weren't happy because I kept winning. Says, I cannot help winning. I says, it's tactics anyway. So you're not supposed to let everybody see what cards you've got. But anyway, I've got my knitting that this afternoon, and I probably may take some of this. That's how much I've got done of the scarf that I'm wearing with the pom-pom. It's going to have pom-poms on when I finish it, and there'll be a little hat to go with it. And that's how far I've got with this one. I'll be knitting this one a bit more. And I like the way the stripes are coming out perfect in it. You know, I know when I come to do the sleeves, the stripes are going to be wider because there'll be more rows. That's just the way it comes out in the wool, but I just like the way it's coming out. So I'll be getting a bit more of that one done later on today. And that is all. I haven't done anything else, but that was just made this video really just to set a lot of people's minds at rest who seem to think. They must have thought I was ranting about needing a rest in between these days, because they are hectic for someone of my age. But you know, when I showed you that little bit video where the kids with those baton things, whoever won the game was against the next one. I can't remember exactly how it works. A burrito or something it was called, and they were bashing each other with the batons. And Ruby the dog decided to join in and jumped up and put her teeth through one of them. And they were just those things that were blown up. You had to blow them up. So I had to do a repair on one of them, and every time they were playing it afterwards, it was when they got a certain card that had these barrel things or something on, that was when they were battering each other. I had to keep a hold of Ruby the dog every time they were doing that because she's just wanting to join in and jumping up at the battering thing. But anyway, that's it for now. I'll catch you another day, so thumbs up and subscribe, and bye for now.